Hello and welcome to CoinLikes. Today in this video we will learn how to draw trend lines and what is trend line touch. But before all of these, let's learn what is trend. When the price moving in one overall direction, such as up or down, that is called a trend. Uptrend is look like this. When a price makes a new high crossing the previous high while simultaneously not violating the recent reversal low is known as higher high and higher low formation. In the uptrend, price makes higher highs and higher lows. Downtrend is look like this. Price making lower highs and lower lows. Lower high means that previous peak is higher than the current peak. Lower low means the current bottom is lower than the previous bottom. According to rising or falling trend, we can take our short or long position. But how can we know where to enter the trade on a trend? This is why we need to learn how to draw trend lines. Because trend lines are the key levels on a formed a trending market. The biggest benefit of drawing them is that they solve the problem of where we should enter the trade. Because whenever the price reaches these key levels, it can offer you successful trading opportunities over and over. As for how we should draw trend lines, instead of dealing with questions like should we draw them to candles close or candles low, we should on a focusing where we get the multiple touches. A good trend requires at least 3 touches. If we have an uptrend, we need to draw our trend line below the price. If we have a downtrend, we need to draw our trend line above the price. You can see sometimes price overlapping the trend line or not even touching. These are very normal situations on the market because we need to use these trend lines as a zone. Now let's look at how we can use trend line touches on the examples. As you will see, we have an uptrend with multiple touches. For our entry point, if we use this trend line touches, here we can take a long position. As you can see, it's a successful trade, but you shouldn't take your position immediately like this. Let's say we will take our entry here again, but before that, we should follow the minor downtrend, and when the price comes to our key level, which is our trend line touch, we need to wait for the minor trend breakout here. Then after the confirmation of a breakout, we have a significant retest here. We can take our entry here. With this technique, you can make more safe and successful trades. You can open a long position by placing your stop loss slightly below the trend line. Thus, we can open positions with low risk rate and high profit return. And if you want to find these trend line touches easily, you can use CoinLikes pattern tool. Simply clicking pattern tool and choosing the trend line touch section. It will give you the thousands of coins information. You don't even have to search them hours and hours. And with simply clicking this button, you can see the trend views on charts. And if we check the same coin on TradingView, the CoinLikes system will provide you with these carefully selected trend line touches, enabling you to make successful trades. As you can see, our signal is correct. To make a successful trades, we can use trend lines touches with other indicator combinations. Let me show you in examples. As you can see in this example, we have a significant downtrend. It shows us we can take a short positions if we find the right entry point. And to find our entry point, I will use stochastic indicator. Here we have an overbought area on stochastic and we have a clear trend line touch in the same area. This can be considered as an entry signal for our short position. As you can see, it's a successful trade again. Now, in the same example, I will use Supertrend to determine our entry point. As you can see, in the same trendline touch zone, Supertrends gives a sell signal for us. If we consider this sell signal, it's a successful trade again. You can also use CoinLike's custom signal tool to detect such combinations and make your job easier. Like on the last example, you can choose Trendline Touch and add Supertrend sell signal. CoinLikes will notify you when it detects these combinations. You can detect many combinations like that. To not miss these signals, you can also set up an alarm on CoinLikes. And to create a bot for Trendline Touch detections, you can use our auto trading solution on LikesBot without needing anything. You can also use our application to not avoid these alarms you created when you are not at your computer. We have come to the end of our video about Trendline Drawing and Trendline Touch. In the second part, we will talk about Trendline Breakout, Breakdown, and Confirmation. Don't forget to watch it. Learn and earn. CoinLikes. Thank you for watching us today. See you next time.